Installing the adjustable safety strap is easy. Start by cleaning and drying the surface. Remove the adhesive backing on both ends and press firmly onto the surface. To unlock, slide the Smart Release tab. The strap can be adjusted from 3 to 7 inches. If you want to shorten it, slide off the lock tab, adjust the strap to the correct length, then slide the lock tab back into place to secure it. Use scissors to trim any excess length. Your drawers and cabinets are now safely secured, keeping little ones out of harm's way.